Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Sketchup 2026 how to array a long path. So to array long paths, I will use the extensions with the path copy. So as example, you can draw arch in here and I will draw again circle. Now use the push tools to convert into 3D. You can make group this object. Now you can select the arch objects and go to extension, click path copy. You can select the object, could be create array along the path. So the distance in here about 1500, like I will change into 3000, press enter. So this is 3000, or you can set like to 1000, or even you can set to every 5000 for distance between the object. If you done, you can press space to close. So that's it for basic SketchUp 2026 tutorial how to array a long path.